Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is June mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer Water Sign. Messages for Cancer. Cards are just flying. Messages for Cancer. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. Lot of earth energy. Under the deck, the Strength and Queen of Wands and Three of Cups. I think it's all about yourself. Cancer, you are taking your control back. You are going through a lot in your life right now, but you all overcome that. Yes. And you are taking your control back. You're focusing on yourself, especially on your self growth. Now you more, yes, you are, for some, you're still trying to overcome this pain or overcome your issues, and you want to take your control back. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo. So let's see our reading recent past. 5 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. Things between you and your person are not good, and there is lot of drama is going between you and your person, lot of arguments, fightings. Then you started focusing on your career. 8 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. Yes, you want financial stability and you want no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. That's why you focusing on yourself, and lot of you are achieved your financial stability in past because 9 of Pentacles, because you worked hard for your financial stability. Then present, the Star, Tower and 6 of Pentacles. In relationship wise, you're still thinking about them and you're still hoping, but there is no equal give and take that causes you so much stress in you, because they are in and out of your life. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. For some, you are focusing on your money, balancing your money, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius or Virgo. And future, the Hermit, 9 of Swords and 2 of Wands. You're still thinking about them. For some, you are in separation. For some, if you are in, even though you are in relationship with this person right now, this is on and off. It creates lots of anxiety and depression in you because 9 of Swords energy. That's why you will going through some transformation in near future to avoid this trauma or to heal from this trauma. And 2 of Wands, you both are in long distance relationship, you both live in different cities, countries or states, but you're still thinking about them a lot. For some, maybe they have options or you have options. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles with 5 of Cups. They are also missing you, and they want partnership with you. Now they want to work on this relationship, but there are some illusions between you and your person. For some, the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. For some, there are some trust issues also, third party involved. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Cancer. 7 of Cups, Page of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. King of Swords and Three of Wands. and Eight of Wands. Yeah, they want to communicate with you, but it will take some time. Right now, your person thinking through their logical mind, but after taking some time, they will communicate. Definitely, there will be lots of communication in future. And yeah, they're confused right now. Maybe they have options, but there is some communication is coming in your way. For some children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, they're thinking about new beginnings with you. Ace of Pentacles. If you already in relationship with this person, there is no separation, then they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, they're thinking about to text you or call you and want to offer new beginnings. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, they have option. They're going to be choose you. Yeah, lots of reading got Page of Cups got. For some, you both have age differences also. Yeah. So yeah, this is a soulmate connection, and this love is mutual between you and your person. Maybe they are not expressing the true feelings to you in past, but now they wanna say apology to you for what they did to you, because Page of Cups, and they treated you as Empress. For some, the woman in this connection could be pregnant or having kids, and Ten of Swords. Yeah, they still want rebirth in this connection. They did hurt you in past, but now they're coming back with an apology. Cancer. Two of Cups and Hermit after transformation. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, communication is coming. Juggling. Maybe your person is juggling between head over their heart, but they're thinking about you a lot 24/7. And maybe they have regrets if they walked away from this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. They're patiently waiting for something or to reach out to you. And Four of Wands. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. Yeah, they have regrets, but they're thinking about you a lot, and you both have strong soulmate connection. For some, a brand new person is also coming into your life. See, maybe you decided to walk away from this connection. You are taking your control back. Yeah, it depends. For some, trust issues also, but they are coming back. For some, a brand new person is coming. So let's see mutual. Yeah, juggling, indecision, and Hierophant with Sun and Three of Swords. Maybe they did hurt you very, very badly in past. That's why maybe you decided to move on. But again, they're coming back with an apology, and they want to offer commitment. But I think you are juggling. You are not making any decision very soon. Maybe you will take your time. That's why maybe you decided to walk away. You're juggling. So it's up to you which decision you have to make. So let's see some messages from your person end. Maybe you are not trusting this person. Trust issues also. Your pure perfection. Past person return. I am feeling sad without you. I have too much going on my life. And twin flames. Stability is coming. So the messages are your pure perfection, past person return, I'm feeling sad without you, I have too much going on my life, and twin flames. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Cancer. Don't let your past hold you back. South Node. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer energy. So if you are worrying about your person, maybe you are in long distance relationship, you and your loved ones are safe, and don't let past Don't let your past hold you back. So if you're having any past, then you are digging your past, then don't do that. Heal yourself, do meditation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.